I couldn't get that O2 sensor out. And this flange is choked down and then it's choked down again, so we're going to open those up a little bit. See if we can't make it. Because sometimes to do a good job you have to start over. I'm going to run these two pipes over to this side into one muffler, and then we're going to do a 3-inch out the back. It's going to be the fastest, easiest, and it'll sound good because it'll mesh all the exhaust notes together. Should sound pretty good. Gravity. It's alright, it'll buff out. Oh, I got pinhole. I'm real happy with that. As long as my O2 sensor doesn't hit the engine, which it might. Oh, look at that, I welded it right.
You did it perfect.
Did it just fine. We're probably going to need another O2 because one of these I couldn't get out of the...
This is 6-cylinder in this,
It's well, no, it's a LS.
LS?
So it'd be like a, I don't know, a 5.3 LS out of any one of the gazillion of them that were made. I don't know. It's a 4-wire. It's a front. Because duals are a pain in the rumsky in this car, especially with where they put the fuel system. So I talked him into doing 2 into 1, and then a big single out. It'll sound really good. Stupid gravity. So I've got both of my outlet pipes, my down pipes so to speak, and I ran them out and down into a dual inlet boiler muffler. I've got the skid plate off right now, so I figured I'd show you how they ran. They actually ran pretty clean, pretty easy. I've already got my O2 bungs welded into the pipes, and my collector flanges are welded onto the pipes, so all I have to do now is tighten up the flanges and we're good to go. I'm going to go ahead and put the skid plate back on. I should be able to fully weld the tailpipe to the muffler because it sticks out in the back far enough, and it looks like I have enough room, so I'm not going to worry about it. So we'll get the skid plate back on and start working on the tailpipe. I'm going to do a 3-inch single outlet on the passenger's rear. It should sound really good with all 8 firing out the same tailpipe on a big 3-inch. Didn't wrinkle it. Had I gone much more, it probably would have wrinkled it. I kick it out and then kick it back because with this big 3-inch pipe, it tends to wrinkle the pipe if you do that all in one big hit. Whatever. Let's go over our axle. Shorter shoe allows me to bend closer to the first bend. Let's make a bend and see if it works. Where's my marker at? Lost my marker. The 9-inch rise will be fine because I'll just rotate the pipe over, which will get me closer to the center of the chassis and away from the arm. Then I'll make my next bend to sweep it out to the side and down a little bit behind the rear axle. And now we'll find out if my guesstimate for my angle is good or not. Oh hey, there's my marker. I was looking for you earlier. I went and found one of your friends because you weren't available. So about 25 degrees. Let's see where that gets us. Now, I am not fast at doing exhaust work. I take my time and I do it. And I don't know, I think I do a pretty good job at it. I've had the bender for, I don't know, 5 years. And I don't do exhaust work every day, so there's guys that do this stuff, they can whip this stuff out in no time at all. They're really good at it. I'm not one of those guys. Didn't quite get my angle where it needed to be, but we're gonna go with it. Give her some more. Let's go to 38. Let's go to even 40. Always remember, cut twice. Cut twice, measure once. Looks like my seal's still leaking. I have to do a little maintenance. So I modified a little hanger. I'm gonna weld it in here and then weld it to the tailpipe. And I'll put a scarf cut on my tailpipe, give it a little flare, so to speak. hum. I'm not going to be able to get a good ground on this car because it's covered in POR. Alright, I'll fix that. Now we're cooking. Really? God damn it. That's annoying. It's not easy welding to rust. If you're smart, you keep your hammer close by so you don't have to run away and lose all your heat. Where's my cutty wheel? Don't you walk on me. Scarf cut. Should be pretty good. Let's sit her on the ground and see what kind of clearance we have. I need to put my O2 sensor in it. I had one that wouldn't come out. Sounds pretty good. Well, that wraps up this session with this LS swapped Jeep Wrangler. Exhaust system turned out looking pretty good, sounds good, it should function pretty good. It's kind of exhausting doing all this work. At any rate, we have more work to do. I gotta get back at it. You guys have a great day. Thanks for watching. Click like, subscribe. We'll see you later. Off to work we go.